Villa Arrebol suggests a lifestyle immersed in the natural environment. The transition between the interior and exterior is responsible for generating sensations and reminding us of the qualities of the place we live in. We aim to translate hotel life into the home story. To replicate the vacation feeling, we realized that hotel areas are usually separated by open spaces. You have to walk outside and see trees, nature, and the context surrounding the project. Another major inspiration was the dynamics of the hacienda, where there are beautiful spaces, but none is fixed to be only what it is. You can eat somewhere outside the dining room, read somewhere outside the living room. Spaces can be occupied depending on what you're looking for: coolness, sun, shade, and this home provides all those options.